Well, today's burger going to be a deer burger, or if you fancy, you can call it the venison burger. Alrighty, let's start out with some brioche buns. Grab yourself an onion. We're going to need it here shortly. The only vegetable a man needs, and that is pickles. Get you a pack of Gouda cheese because Gouda is good. And grab your favorite barbecue sauce. But the star of the show today is going to be these half-pound deer patties. What we did, I had a good buddy of mine. He brought it to me after he had popped that baby over the weekend. So I soaked it in some icy water for about 3 days. I pulled it out, broke this hind quarter down a little bit, got the sinew or silver skin off, sprinkled it with a little bit of salt. I stuck it in the fridge for 24 hours, uncovered, and my, did it make it look really good. We're going to slice her up into some cubes here, but I just wanted to let you watch me do it and look at the color of that meat. I think that means deer's healthy. Alrighty, let's weigh her up because what we want is 3 parts deer meat to 1 part bacon. Yes, you're right. The fat today is bacon. And the way I see it is the ratio from fat to meat should be like 85-15. Alrighty, let's run it through the grinder once, alternating cubes of bacon and deer. When you get it run through the first time, let's run that chopped meat back through there. And now it's starting to look like some finely incorporated ground meat. Man, look at that color. I can tell you it's going to be good. Alrighty, let's give her the snort test. Make sure your ratio's right. And yes, it is. It is right on the money. Alright, let's take them outside to hold up. I know we did do a dry brine with salt, but that was a lot of meat. So I think we need a little bit more seasoning. And that'll be that MOJO burger blend. Now we'll take it out to the grill. We'll be going cooking on the S&S portable today. Why are we doing that? Because I'm going to cook indirect. So this gives me some space over here for my FOGO Charcoal and a space over here for not my FOGO Charcoal. We're going to put the meat right there. That way you ain't going to worry about no flare-ups burning that awesome looking deer meat. Alrighty, let's get the lid on. We're going to run it at 293 degrees today because I like that number. And while we wait, let's go inside. Mandolin up some of them onions. It's kind of like the Oklahoma onion burger all over again, but we're not going to put it in the burger. We're going to hit it with some of this Wonder Flour. Get you some if you don't know what it is. Makes a good little coating. And drop it in this 350 degree oil. It's going to take about a minute. Yeah, a minute and a half. And they're going to come out all nice and golden brown just like this. Now, once you get them separated a little bit while it's still hot and oily, hit it with some of that more of that MOJO burger blend. Let me tell you, these things are good. French's is good, but the MOJO's is better. Let's brown up these buns. We're going to use mayonnaise again today, and should look something like this. Both sides looking good. All right. After about 45 minutes, we're going to be setting about 140 degrees. Let's go outside and stick you on 2 pieces of Gouda for each patty. It's dark outside. That's why I done the whole cheese thing, and just to show you I wasn't lying. See, it's dark. And after it took about 50 minutes. We should be setting around 145 degrees. Man, them things look good. Let's see here. Well, okay, I did lie to you. We're 144 degrees, but that 1 degree will not kill you. I'm going to show you how pretty these patties are, so I'm going to pick it up. And time to build this burger. All right, hold on. I'm going to snort it one more time. It makes me feel like a robot. Man, that dude is an idiot. Anywho, let's build this burger with barbecue sauce on bottom. Plenty of pickles. Remember, don't be stingy with the pickles. Next comes that old deer patty and the onions. Man, it's already looking good. More of that sauce, because you'll never go wrong with barbecue sauce or bacon or deer. Now that I wish y'all could taste this burger. Anywho, let's go on with it. Let's crown that baby. And I'm going to slice her down the middle for that reveal shot. Here we go. And that, my friend, is what the innards of a deer burger should look like. Now, this pink means flavor, and flavor, fat means everything. And snort test, it's just flavorful. Alrighty, take your bite of it, brother, and let all these people know what you think. You know, last week's Funyun burger, if you ain't seen it, you need to check it out. Probably the best burger I ever had. This one here, yeah, I can't say it's the best burger I ever had. Could be the 3rd best burger I ever had. Never really had a deer burger. This is the best deer burger I've ever had. Man, the bacon, the everything. So go thin the herd, boys and girls, and grind you up some deer meat, and make this burger. That's all I got for you today. Alrighty, you know I appreciate you. And MOJO is out.